Hey guys, today we're going to tear down this 2-stroke engine for a full rebuild. First, remove the chain guard, sprocket, kickstart and spark plug. Next, we'll remove the head and cylinder. Lift off the head. Depending on your engine, it will either have a gasket or O-rings like you see in this one. Next, remove the exhaust valve side cover and disconnect the arm. Now the cylinder is ready to be removed. Unscrew the 4 nuts for the cylinder. I had to use a little bit of pressure with a pry bar to break the gasket seal, then the cylinder lifted off the engine. Don't wedge a pry bar or screwdriver between the cylinder and crankcase as you will damage them. Now we can remove the intake boot and the reeds. Now we can move to the clutch side of the engine. Remove the clutch cover and water pump housing. Remove the 5 bolts, washers and springs holding the clutch pressure plate and lift out the pressure plate and clutch plates. To remove the clutch basket and inner hub, you need to hold the hub using a clutch holder and an impact gun to loosen the nut. Next, remove the exhaust valve governor held by 2 star head screws. Now we can remove the piston. Next, remove the circlip and kickstart idler gear, then remove the kickstart assembly. Next, we remove the primary drive gear. If you have an impact gun, you can hold the connecting rod and remove the bolt. Now we can remove the shifter assembly by removing the 2 small star head screws, and the shifter assembly should slide right out. Try not to lose any of the parts. Flip the engine over and we will start on the other side. I set the engine into an oil tray to collect any remaining oil. Remove the ignition cover and then the flywheel. You need a special tool to remove the flywheel. I did this off camera and I promise I didn't use a hammer. Remove the clutch cable from the linkage and then remove the 3 bolts holding the stator. Lift the stator out and we can finally begin splitting the cases. I didn't have a crankcase splitter, so I decided to make one out of some 10mm steel plate that I had lying around. Now I'm not easily impressed, but damn, that's a fine bit of engineering. When you're splitting the cases, make sure it separates evenly. Use a mallet to separate the engine cases at the opposite side. Now that we've got the engine case off, we can remove the transmission. Use a cable tie on either end of both shafts to make sure they stay together. Now we can remove the crankshaft from the casing. It may come out with a few taps of a mallet like this one, or you may need to press it out. Lastly, we will remove the exhaust valve assembly. Remove the exhaust valve cover. Remove the arm and retainer from the right side of the cylinder. Now remove the bolt holding the shaft and slide it out. Remove the remaining bolts and lift out the exhaust valve. Try not to drop anything into the cylinder like I did. That's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll answer them best I can. Thanks for watching. Peace.